1. 1988 Ford F-150 Lariat, $3,000, Denver, Colorado. This 1988 Ford F-150 Lariat is a classic American workhorse with a fair condition rating. Priced at $3,000, it's a solid option for someone looking for a project truck. The 8-cylinder engine, 4WD, and automatic transmission make it a capable off-roader, though it has some issues. The clear coat is peeling, there's a dent on the left rear panel, and the driver's side window motor is out, though a replacement is included. The rear gas tank has a hole, limiting fuel capacity, and the radiator has minor leaks. Despite these flaws, it's a running truck with a clean title, making it a decent candidate for restoration or parts. Two, 1978 Ford F-250, $4,500, Boring, Oregon. This 1978 Ford F-250 is a rugged classic with a clean title, and a $4,500 price tag. It features a 400 engine and a C6 automatic transmission, both of which have been rebuilt. The 4x4 system is functional, and the truck runs and drives well. The only notable rust is on the passenger floor pan, which is minimal. This truck was intended for property use, but didn't meet the owner's expectations, making it a great find for someone needing a reliable vintage work truck. 3. 1983 GMC 3500 3+3, $6,800, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1983 GMC 3500 3+3 is a heavy-duty classic with a 454 engine and turbo 400 transmission, known for their durability. Priced at $6,800, it's a fair deal for a truck with 172,469 miles, odometer broken. The exterior is white and the truck is rust-free, though the AC doesn't work. The 4-door configuration adds practicality, and the excellent rubber suggests it's been well maintained. This is a solid option for those needing a robust vintage hauler. 4. 1972 Chevy Cheyenne Custom Camper, $11,500, Port Orchard, Washington. This 1972 Chevy Cheyenne Custom Camper is a beautifully restored classic with an $11,500 price tag. It features a rebuilt transmission, brand new tires, and the iconic early Chevy red and white paint job. The 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission ensure smooth driving, though there's some typical rust. This truck is perfect for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a well-maintained, eye-catching classic. 1971 Ford F-100 short wheelbase, $3,950, Naperville, Illinois. Priced at $3,950, this 1971 Ford F-100 short wheelbase is a project truck with potential. It has a 302 V8 engine and a manual transmission, but the motor is not running. The truck needs floorboards and some TLC, but it's overall solid with a clean Georgia title. Located in Marseille, Illinois, it's a great candidate for restoration or a custom build. 6. 1972 Ford F-100 Crown Vic swap, $13,000, Rockdale, Texas. This 1972 Ford F100 is a standout with a Crown Vic front-end swap, giving it modern handling and a lowered stance. Priced at $10,000, it features a 360 V8 engine, C6 transmission, and dual exhaust. The body is in excellent condition with original paint, and the truck rides smoothly. The 19-inch rims and rear side fuel cell add a custom touch, making this a unique blend of classic and modern. Seven, 1979 C10 half-ton dually, $14,444, Eugene, Oregon. This 1979 C10 half-ton dually is a custom-built classic priced at $14,444. It features a GM Goodwrench 350 engine, a remanufactured TH350 transmission, and a fully rebuilt suspension. The interior is refreshed with new upholstery, and the truck cruises like new. With only 66,342 miles, this is a rare find for someone looking for a comfortable, stylish vintage truck. $1970 Ford F250 Highboy, $10,000, Sparks, Nevada. This 1974 Ford F250 Highboy is a rust-free classic with a 460 big block engine and C6 automatic transmission. Priced at $10,000, it's in excellent condition with only 46,000 miles, odometer rolled over. The 4x4 system works perfectly, and the truck has new bearings and a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. This is a rare, well-maintained classic for serious collectors. 1971 GMC pickup, $8,000, Temecula, California. This 1971 GMC pickup is a head-turner with a brand new 454 engine and only 10 miles on it. Priced at $8,000, it features a clean title, automatic transmission, and new seats. The yellow paint adds to its vintage appeal, and the truck runs excellently. This is a great option for someone looking for a reliable, freshly rebuilt classic. Hammer 10, 1977 Jeep J20 4x4, $4,500, Grand Lake, Colorado. This 1977 Jeep J20 4x4 is a rugged classic priced at $4,500. It has a manual transmission, 8-cylinder engine, and a clean title. The odometer shows 16,000 miles, rolled over, and the truck runs and drives after some restoration work. It's a solid project for off-road enthusiasts or collectors of vintage Jeeps. $11, 1976 Ford F250 Ranger XLT, $7,700, Colburn, Colorado. This 1976 Ford F250 Ranger XLT is a well-maintained classic priced at $17,700. It features a 390 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and Dana 60 rear axle. The truck runs, drives, and stops well, though the factory AC is non-functional. With 128,000 miles, odometer rolled over, it's a reliable option for vintage truck enthusiasts. 12. 1985 GMC S15 S10 truck, $1,000, Linwood, Washington. Priced at just $1,000, this 1985 GMC S15 is a budget-friendly classic. It has a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and only 43,000 miles, odometer rolled over. The truck runs well with little to no rust, making it a great daily driver or project vehicle. 1982 C10 Chevy LWB, $8,000, Scappoose, Oregon. This 1982 C10 Chevy LWB is a rust-free classic priced at $8,000. It features a 256-cylinder engine, 700R transmission, and dual factory tanks. The truck is 99% rust-free with a well-maintained bed and canopy. This is a great option for someone looking for a reliable, vintage hauler. $14. 1988 Chevy Cheyenne, $1,500, Fort Collins, Colorado. This 1988 Chevy Cheyenne is a budget-friendly project truck priced at $1,500. It has a 5.7-liter V8 engine, 4x4 system, and a clean title. The truck runs and drives but needs ignition and power steering work. It's a solid candidate for restoration or parts. $15. 1982 GMC C10 SWB, $9,500, Joshua, Texas. This 1982 GMC C10 SWB is a well-maintained classic priced at $9,500. It features a 350 V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and a fully rebuilt front end. The truck runs and drives well, though the AC is non-functional. This is a great option for enthusiasts looking for a reliable, vintage pickup. Our 16. 1980 Chevy C10 Silverado, $3,900, Tucson, Arizona. This 1980 Chevy C10 Silverado is a rust-free classic priced at $3,900. It features a 350 engine, automatic transmission, and factory AC. The truck needs a fuel pump and battery, but is otherwise in excellent condition. This is a great project for restoration or customization. For 17. 1981 F-150 Custom, $9,500, Surprise, Arizona. This 1981 F-150 Custom is a well-maintained classic priced at $9,500. It features a 4.9-liter 6-cylinder engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and a flare-side short bed. The truck has new tires, shocks, and a battery, making it a reliable option for vintage truck enthusiasts. $18. 1989 Chevy Pickup, $8,500, San Rafael, California. This 1989 Chevy pickup is a daily driver priced at $8,500. It features a rebuilt 350 engine, automatic transmission, and a lowered suspension. The truck runs perfectly and is smog legal, making it a great option for those looking for a reliable vintage daily driver.